unusual to be loved by anyone. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. But when I see you hanging about with anyone, it's not
amazing, absolutely amazing. The energy on stage just sucks the audience in totally. Absolutely loved it. Such good fun. I think mind-blowing is probably a fabulous night. Really great. Yeah, a real comedy value as well. So funny. And yeah, all of them were amazing.
Hysterical.
Well, you're laughing, you're cheering, you're clapping. Some people crying.
And I think that's why I got a standing ovation.
Absolutely.
It's not unusual to find out.